Okay, now we are going to install and configure Laker. First, you need to check where you can download the Laker. So if you take a look at the full custom IC design full custom IC design here, if you click Laker custom layout automation system, the software acquire tab, you can see that the newest version is 2024.12, right? This is for the 28 nanometer or 40 nanometer new process. So let me see. The file name is called Laker. So our first step is always download. Then the second step, if you forgot, I will tell you. My second step is always extract and install. So extract.刚按中指中键怎么没有把它复制过去 ？Okay, so it will extract our file. 来，那我做一次给你看啊。Let me show you how to modify it. So you can go here, OPT, EDA, VI 背写 C EDA, and we add one more line, which is Laker path. This is path setting. Here, Laker bin, and then we need to set up a new license location. New license location is 5229. I will explain this next week. Okay? LSTN 5229. Okay, so we need to add one more 5229 at LSTN. Okay, so let me check. So we can run for test. So let's find out what happened. Source OPT EDA 背写 C EDA, and we can type Laker. Okay, something wrong here. So we will stop here. We will stop it. Our progress this week is encounter is you can see you have faced a new problem. Then we will solve this next week. Okay, understand? 我们今天就在这边踢到这个铁板，然后下个礼拜我们再继续做。我下礼拜就可以把Laker开起来了，这样了不了解？因为时间不够了嘛，我抓紧时间给大家弄一下。那我现在武功秘籍给你啊，你们自己做。